WLBT 3 on your side. Midday Mississippi starts now.
Happy Thursday. Thanks for joining us. I'm Joy Redmond. We kick things off with a round of fashion. Yeah, this afternoon we'll explain how all roads lead to Lee County for the local fashion advantage, hosted by fashion designer Hilton Hollis. Mr. Hollis and models Victoria and Sadia are going to join us in a few seconds with details and a preview of some of the collection. And then a local sorority is encouraging the community to bring out new and gently used luggage for a worthy cause. Plus, we'll receive some bicycle safety tips parents should exercise as the weather heats up. And then later, it's a musical concert in celebration of women this Mother's Day weekend. We have that and more coming up for you. But first, we want to get a check of our midday forecast. Another beautiful day, Michael.
That's right, Joy. Clear and very comfortable this afternoon. As promised, the temperatures in the 70s. Kosciuszko still, as of lunchtime, struggling to get over 70 degrees. Vicksburg 74. Jackson and Yazoo City at 71. Macomb and Natchez now in the middle 70s, 73 and 74. We stay clear today. This evening, by the time you get home, expect perfect conditions. 72 degrees at 6 o'clock, 7 at 70, and we will continue to have another nice day tomorrow. Getting chilly tomorrow morning. We'll talk about that and the warm-up for this weekend coming up in our full forecast.
All right, Michael, thank you. Fashionistas, listen up. High fashion is heading to the Magnolia State as Lee County native and fashion designer Hilton Hollis presents the annual Local Fashion Advantage. It's a night of fancy threads you don't want to miss. Hilton Hollis, and he has two models. We'll introduce those and those ladies in a minute. But first, we want to chat with you. Always good to have you here with us on
Thank
Midday.
you so much.
So
Thanks for
you are
having
from
me.
Lee County, Mississippi.
I am.
And you're doing big things all across the world.
Yes, I actually just showed in Paris for the first time, which was another milestone in my career. So that was very exciting this
Oh my
past
gosh,
season.
you're like international now. This is so
We
great. And I
are.
love how you come back home and you give back and
Thank
you're doing
you.
a fashion show.
I am. Okay. This is our third annual fashion show in Lee County and Carthage, and it was originally to save my elementary school that was going to be torn down.
Yeah.
After the schools consolidated in our county, it went into disrepair, and we went in and we saved the school building. We also raised money for a lot of health causes in Lee County.
Okay.
And it's just a great way for me to give back to my community that I grew up in.
Absolutely, and for you to show us what's going on in the fashion world, right?
Absolutely.
Across the country and across the
We
globe.
all need to know.
Yeah, absolutely. So you've got a fashion show coming up. Let's get the information out of the way. Tell me when it is, and then we'll show what you're going to showcase.
So June 4th is the fashion show. The doors open at 5 o'clock, and the show actually starts at 6. There's actually a model casting the night before at the Lee County Chamber of Commerce, and that starts at 6 o'clock on June 3rd.
Okay.
So June 3rd, June 4th are the dates to remember. And also our LFA page, Local Fashion Advantage on Facebook, all the information is there. So if they want to reference that, that's an easy way to find the information as well.
Great. High fashion coming to a little elementary school in Carthage, Mississippi.
That's right.
And now you're going to get a sneak peek at just a few of the pieces that Hilton will be showcasing. So bring your models out. We have model Victoria.
This
You
is
wanna start with
Victoria.
Okay.
And Victoria is wearing this amazing high neck. It's a mock neck, sleeveless dress. Really sexy, really elegant. I love the back of this dress as well because you've got this zipper that goes all the way down the back.
Yes.
You can make it sexy. You can make it daytime. You can put on a pair of pearls with it and go to church.
Yeah.
But then you can also wear it out at night with your honey and just really make it sexy and fun.
Gorgeous.
And then this great bag by Filippo Fanini in Italy. This amazing piece of jewelry, which was one of the designers that we showcased. Her name is KZ Noel.
Okay.
She's from Atlanta, sells to Neiman Marcus and a lot of other wonderful stores in the country. But she is actually part of our showroom now in New York.
Awesome. Love it. Okay, so that's Victoria.
Yes.
Beautiful dress. And then we have Sadia.
And Sadia is wearing this great outfit that I think is wonderful for any occasion. You can dress it up, again, dress it down. The skirt could be paired back to an easy little tank with a pair of flip-flops if you really wanted to wear it like on the weekend. But this could be worn to the office if you work in a more casual office. Wear the little top with a pencil skirt if you really wanted to make it a little clean and more refined. But all of these pieces are very versatile, and what I love about this is it's aerated and it's easy for this hot, hot climate that we live in.
And don't we need it? So are the shoes yours too? I mean, okay.
Okay, so these are actually Christian Louboutin.
No, you don't tell me that because I saw
Oh, yeah,
red.
you saw the red
I peeped
bottoms.
the red. Those are gorgeous. But I mean, obviously, you do the shoes with the models, and sometimes they have
Right,
their own,
and
but,
a lot of my stores carry Louboutin.
Yeah.
So we really sell to 45 of the best stores in the country, and we're selling international now: Jakarta, Indonesia, Toronto, Paris. So we're all over the world.
You are amazing. Okay, Victoria, come back over. Let me just let you get one final glimpse of these beautiful models, and this is just again an idea of what you will see at Local Fashion Advantage Fashion Show happening in Lee County. Tell us again the date and the time and how folks can get tickets.
June 4th. The doors open at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
The fashion show starts at 6. Go on the Local Fashion Fashion Advantage on Facebook, and all the information is there about getting the tickets. $75 for VIP tickets. The general admission tickets are only $15, so everyone can come and enjoy it.
And don't forget, you are giving back as well.
Absolutely.
Victoria and Sadia and Hill, thank you so much for being
Thanks,
here with
Joy.
us. All right,
Good
well,
to
coming
see
up
you.
next, you too.